Look at this website. When I scroll down, these mobile phones don't just move, it's rotate into the 3D style. And this looks like an Apple product page that cost, thousands of dollars to develop. But I built this entire thing in under 10 minutes and completely for free using a specific asset workflow in Google using Google's anti-gravity. So we're not using any drag and drop builder or anything like Framework, Webflow. We're using anti-gravity, which is Google's new AI IDE to write production-level code. Let me show you how to build this from scratch. First, we need our assets. I've also seen that many people try to generate a video directly. You don't have to do that.
Just head over to Google Labs and find Whisk, or just type Google Whisk in Google. And so basically, Whisk is an image-to-image tool. But we're using it to generate our keyframes. We need a start frame and end frame, or images. I've prepared a prompt for our cinematic product shot. I'm just pasting that in and hitting generate. So this is our subject. I'm going to paste another prompt for our first image. So it's going to give me a lot of images. This one looks perfect. So basically, this is our imaged assembled view. Now, without changing the seed too much, I'm going to ask for the back screen or the end frame. I'm telling Whisk to take the same mobile phone, showing its backside an Apple style, but name Profitron X. I'm just pasting it in and okay, look at that details. Look at the camera, Profitron X written down and all. Okay, I'm saving this images. I'm saving this images image 1 and image 2. So basically, image 1 is the front screen or the first frame, and image B is backside view or the end frame. So we have our endpoints. Now, how do we make our frames move? Search for Google Flow. Basically, this is basically a video generation tool. The trick is that I'm not asking you to imagine a video. I will select frames to video and I'm just uploading my start frame and end frame. And basically, I'm just telling the AI to smoothly transition from the assembled products to the front screen to backside view. I'm just giving first frame and last frame and telling it to move basically. And click on generate and wait. And look at that. It figured out the 3D rotation and the quality of phone. It's looking like Apple phone. It's very smooth. I'll just download the video and I'll save it as video. Okay. But we are not done. We can't put a MP4 on a website. It'll definitely lag when we scroll. So first, we need to convert this video into sequence of images. Just search for an MP4 to image sequencer. There's a very cool website called EasyGIF. Upload your video and I will select full video from 0 to 8 seconds, and 5 FPS means 5 frames per second, and just look at the frames. Okay, so now we have 100 of individual frames. I have 40 frames of our animation. I'll just download this zip file. This is exactly where Apple does for their product page. Here comes the coding part. Open up Google Anti-Gravity, upload file. Here it is. I've basically went to the agent mode and pasted my system prompt. I'll put this in my description below. I'm asking it to build a sticky scroll component that maps the user's scroll position to these image frames. I've experienced some lags and some errors and some linters, so I just put that and copy that everything and just give it to Google's anti-gravity, and I solved everything out. Let's just preview it now. Look at that, it's working. And that is how you build an award-winning website in 2025 without writing a single line of CSS. The prompt and the workflow are in the description. Go and build something cool.